Alright. Kadeso. Okay, so now wena oski. Clearly redeem ni furniture fast pop da dusty abatwa da very cool last. Risva karitadza must sakata kungoti switch off kunge nasty. Aunga delele chimjara chereken. Aubuni kuti michai redeem yekisheni. Uwacha just like washing. Uhamba ngepi ask me no location. Utopa unga dopa sin. Faka wangi dimadota ukulileni. So ndela nivalelo kuzeni nikakuchamba ama unofunga godabeni but angazi aizi godabeni so apuma lo wena mtombeni mina niyakuthanda thandwa zami so khuluma nawe awungathamba nami awungathethi lutho fana ngebhenjwe tichiva pedza moto awungathethi lutho kothi bino tupedza njito bodo kana aiwa bodo kana aiwa mukazaro ngavere achitini nandrowe bodo yeah.
Nice one. So there you have it, guys. That's Bazooka live in the UK on the Vibe on neanderradio.com.